Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this brief news update video. In this video, we wanted to talk to you about the September borrowing boom. Now, September has brought a significant surge in corporate borrowing activity, with most of the companies rushing to issue bonds before the Federal Reserve begins its anticipated interest rate cuts. This week alone, we have seen approximately $66 billion in corporate debt sales, a clear signal that businesses are positioning themselves strategically for the changing economic landscape. Let's talk about the numbers out here. Breaking down what we are seeing in the market, investment grade companies issued around 56 billion in bonds in the past week, while high yield or junk bond issuances reached $9.6 billion. Now, while these figures trail last year's record-breaking 73 billion in investment grade bonds during the same period, they represent the largest weekly issuance since early March. And this brings us to the market dynamics. What's driving this borrowing spree? Now, it's a convergence of the favorable conditions that rarely align so perfectly. First and foremost, the borrowing costs are falling as markets anticipate Fed rate cuts. Secondly, investor appetite for corporate debt remains exceptionally strong. And this combination has pushed the premium that investors demand toward corporate bonds instead of safer treasury securities to nearly multi-year lows. As per the sentiment in the market, it looks like a win-win for both the issuers and the investors. Companies that can access capital at attractive rates, while investors can lock in yields before rates potentially drop further. Let's also talk about the broader market context out here. Now, this isn't just an investment grade phenomenon. Lower rate companies are also finding strong demand for their debt. After a challenging period in April when junk bond markets nearly froze due to market volatility, we are seeing renewed confidence in higher risk corporate debt. Investors are returning to high-yield mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, providing companies with weaker credit profiles the opportunity to refinance existing debt and raise new capital. So what are the strategic implications that we see from all this? For business leaders, this environment represents both opportunities as well as considerations. Companies with upcoming financing needs should evaluate whether current market conditions align with their capital requirements. And it actually might be a good time to lock in these rates because, as we have seen before, it doesn't take much to induce volatility and risk aversion back into the market. Looking ahead, we can say that September has historically been one of the busiest months for corporate bond issuance as companies typically aim to secure funding for the remainder of the year. The current surge suggests that businesses are being particularly proactive in 2025, recognizing that favorable financing windows can quickly close when market sentiment shifts. In closing, we can say that the current bond market activity reflects a broader theme in today's business environment: the importance of strategic timing. When favorable conditions align, low borrowing costs, strong investor demand, and economic stability, successful companies move decisively. As we progress through September, it will be interesting to monitor whether this pace of issuance continues and how the companies utilize this relatively inexpensive capital to drive growth and strategic initiatives. For businesses that are considering their own financing strategies, the current environment offers a compelling case study in market timing and the value of maintaining financial flexibility in an evolving economic landscape. That's all that we have for you in this brief video of news updates. Do stay tuned in for the next one.